Nestled in an urban landscape, this industrial home redefines modern sophistication. The bold presence of black wood accents blends seamlessly with raw concrete and steel, creating a striking balance between strength and warmth. This is not just a house. It's a statement of timeless design, where industrial grit meets refined luxury. Every detail is meticulously crafted, making it a sanctuary of contrasts, depth, and bold character. At first glance, the exterior captivates with its fusion of blackened timber, exposed steel, and concrete walls. The dark wood cladding absorbs the light, enhancing the raw, unfinished appeal of the industrial framework. Oversized glass panels break the intensity, inviting natural light to dance across the textures. This interplay of light and shadow creates an ever-changing visual experience, dynamic, dramatic, and utterly captivating. Inside, the living area is a masterclass in industrial minimalism. A high ceiling and open layout create a sense of vastness, while black wood paneling on selected walls adds intimacy and warmth. A statement fireplace in black steel anchors the space, flanked by concrete walls and metal frame shelving. The furniture, a mix of leather, wood, and metal, further emphasizes the blend of raw industrial elements with modern comfort. The kitchen is where industrial functionality meets sleek elegance. Matte black wood cabinetry contrasts against polished concrete countertops, while open metal shelves display curated essentials. A bold island with a weathered steel finish acts as both a focal point and a social hub. Overhead, exposed pipes and industrial pendant lights add to the raw aesthetic, completing the space's effortlessly stylish appeal. Adjacent to the kitchen, the dining area exudes a moody charm. A custom-built dining table with a blackened wood top sits beneath a sculptural industrial chandelier. Surrounding it, a mix of vintage metal chairs and modern upholstered seating adds eclectic character. Large industrial windows frame the outside world, allowing the ever-changing natural light to soften the dark tones, making the space feel both intimate and expansive. The bedroom is a retreat into understated luxury. Deep black wood paneling covers the walls, creating a serene cocoon-like atmosphere. Soft, warm lighting enhances the richness of the textures, while linen and leather accents bring a tactile contrast. The bed, framed in industrial steel, stands against a backdrop of textured concrete, proving that dark interiors can be both bold and calming when designed with balance in mind. Stepping into the bathroom feels like entering an urban sanctuary. Black-stained wooden vanities complement the polished concrete surfaces, while metal fixtures in matte black and brushed brass add a layer of sophistication. A freestanding tub sits against a dark, textured wall, illuminated by soft, diffused lighting. The space embraces a monochromatic palette, proving that darkness, when layered correctly, can feel deeply luxurious. Beyond the walls of this industrial haven lies an unexpected contrast, a serene outdoor retreat. A courtyard framed by black wooden slats provides privacy while allowing glimpses of the sky. Concrete planters filled with lush greenery soften the monochrome tones, creating a balance between the built environment and the natural world. A fire pit, surrounded by industrial seating, turns the space into an intimate gathering spot under the stars. What makes this home truly remarkable is its masterful play of contrast. The juxtaposition of black wood with raw industrial materials creates a depth that is both moody and inviting. Every surface tells a story, whether it's the grain of the charred timber, the cool smoothness of the concrete, or the aged patina of metal accents. This is a home designed not just to be seen, but to be felt. Dark, bold, and endlessly refined, this industrial home with black wood accents stands as a testament to the beauty of contrast. It is a place where raw materials meet curated sophistication, where darkness enhances warmth, and where industrial design is elevated into an art form. In a world of fleeting trends, this home remains timeless, a true masterpiece of modern architecture.